Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Job Solution. Today we discuss about Microsoft Office Basic. Just learn in 5 minutes. And for beginners, it's must watch. Why Microsoft Office? Uh, Required for office jobs. For all kind of job are now related with Microsoft Office, and it's easy to learn and career booster for your upcoming career, and most worldwide used. Out of world in office there are 90% are use Microsoft Office. So what is Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office actually is a bundle of some application or software like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Outlook. All other software are work different way. Suppose if we discuss about Microsoft Word, it actually work with data processing, okay, and Excel is one kind of spreadsheet where we store the data and we can analyze there. Also you can create graph from also from Excel. PowerPoint actually is a presentation software. You can present it many kind of your document and other thing from Microsoft PowerPoint. And Microsoft Outlook used for your daily to daily communication in mailing, okay. And there are lots of others application also under the Microsoft Office. So Microsoft Word is a create documents, it's typing and editing. You can write a letter or CV or report or different kind of document, brochure and others also you can create from Microsoft Word. There are Microsoft basic skill is font and size. There are different kind of font size is there. You can bold, italic or underline the letter or text. You can set the alignment for the text or paragraph or section. You can create a table and it could be customized or uncustomized. And after the documented all after the writing all the thing in Microsoft Office, you can save it as PDF. And Microsoft Excel previously said that it's used for the spreadsheet, data entry and calculation related work. And you can also create report from here. There are some function in Excel, they are superly boosted your performance or your tasks and work. Some of the are sum, average, count. These are the aggregate function, short order and filtered data. You can filter from here also. The Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software and you can create slide from here. It's help you to visual presentation and meeting and classes, and it's easy to create and easy to present it. PowerPoint basic skills is their slide design, image and text, simple animation, okay, and slideshow. Even what I am now talking about, what software now I use, that is a Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft Outlook is a professional email, file attachment, meeting and calendar. Who should learn? Most of the student, they need to learn Microsoft Office, because when you enter the office, when you enter in your career, that time you must be know the Microsoft Office. So when you are a student, this is the prime time for you to accelerate your journey. Just go one step ahead. And also it's need for job seekers, office staff and freelancers also. If you spend 1 hour daily, 7 to 10 days, it's enough. And it's more actually practice basis. Just more you practice, the more you gain the knowledge and skill. So like the video, subscribe the channel and comment, are you in new to the office? Thank you. If you interested more about office others software like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint in details, just comment below. We will be here after some times, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.